What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today's gonna be pretty lit. Heading up to Alice's restaurant. Gonna have a couple dope cars here with me. And yeah, let's see how the day goes. Got so much camera equipment that I started bringing a box with me. Here is the 350Z. You guys get a look at it. Hopefully I don't rub too bad on the mountain hills, because we already causing a little bit of damage right here. I need to camber it in a little more, but haven't done it yet. So full send. Let's see how it goes. I'll pick the camera back up once everyone arrives. here. Alice's. Got the whole squad here. Got my boys M3 right here. Slammed. Look at that shit. This food is static. That shit's insane. There's his IG right there. Go hit him a follow. Can't get over this shit. My dude is tucking 305s. Carbon on carbon. Sick ass food. Look at how low my dude is to the ground. Look at my shoe. And look at that lip. That's 7. Sitting nice. Big body thing. McLaren. Got the vent. Keep the doors.
Yeah, I see the color. Yeah.
Love the stripe on this thing. Got carbon everywhere. Check out the wing though. This shit is nice. Got the forged carbon right there for the engine bay. Full carbon rear diffuser too. I mean, this shit goes hard.
I don't know. They said
But you know, I can go over driveways because I put a lift on the front. Oh, okay, you did. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, yeah, nice.
Hey, Chris! Chris!
We came in. But I do have to give
Oh,
just had the craziest freeway run. Got all the necks broken. Alright y'all, we are back in San Jose now. Had tons of fun today. I mean, that drive was just amazing. I just want to give a huge shout out to my boy Christian with the M3 for inviting me out to this drive. This was actually like my first time rolling with Supercars anywhere, so it was definitely a fun experience and I would love to do it again. I mean, it was just hella sick. Seeing everyone's neck getting broken, smiling, pulling out their cameras. I mean, it's just a feeling I can't even describe. As far as the other car owners, I will link their Instagrams down in the description below. You guys could check out their builds. I appreciate you guys so much. And for all you guys that are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, whatever y'all want to do. I appreciate it. The channel is growing slowly but surely. That's basically going to sum up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Peep the 350Z. This is just insane. I still can't believe how this car has turned out. So blessed, and thank you guys for watching. Don't follow my car account yet. It is club_Z33. That's where all my updates usually go on quick. Like, comment, subscribe. You already know how it goes. I'll catch y'all on the next one.